Hello, this is Kung Fu Room. At FAM, all the students are practicing Kung Fu here. All the special needs are ready for Kung Fu. Students can benefit by using some objects which include boxer, box weights, boxer gloves, header, leg keepers, and so on. The benefits of the benefits of Kung Fu Room is here students conduct an academic training to provide a healthy, strong body and a psychology aspects for all the students, as well as how to learn the art of Kung Fu defense, the educational aspects of Kung Fu. In this class, students are educated on the basis of an obedient student and are taught to have love, respect, harmony, and spirit of cooperation between each other. And they may gain a strong social relationship between each other. The pleasure of Kung Fu class. In Kung Fu class, we feel very comfortable and happy. We learn leg techniques, boxing techniques, and at the same time, they train us with gymnastic skills.